guys, welcome to Tian's Data Cafe. So in this video I'm going to teach you a small Excel tip where that will save your job forever. Okay, so the task is how to highlight alternating rows with conditional formatting. For example, how to alternate row 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, so first what you have to do is select the range. Okay, so when you select it, and then what you have to do is go to the styles tab in your menu bar and then click on conditional formatting. So under that, where you will be having a thing called new rules. Okay, so where you have to go and click on use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, so in the formula bar, type this formula. Okay, where this formula that equals to 0 will highlight the even rows, and the formula that equals to 1 will highlight the odd rows. Okay, so okay, one second, let me just type it out. Okay, so equal to mod. The mod means it's kind of like modification. So what we are going to modify is we are going to modify row. Okay, because we are going to change the format, highlight alternate formats in rows. Okay, row, open a bracket because we have already selected it, comma, and 2 in the sense we are selecting one by one after one, so the skip number is kind of like 2, then close the bracket. So we are going to modify the rows skipping one row and row, so that's why we given it as 2, and then click on equal to and then 0. Okay, so now it's not yet over, so here you have to select on how your formatting has to be. So click on format and then click on any of your favorite colors. So one of my favorite colors is actually, okay, let's take it as blue. Okay, let's take it as a dark blue. Yeah, so we'll go to font. So in the font also we can click select a color. Yeah, you can click on border, so where it has to be outline. So on click where you can fill it as a dark, once again just okay, let's take it this color. Okay, it's kind of like a bright yellow. Then click OK. So now what you have is, yeah, even your format is selected, and then click OK. Yeah, now you can see that the whole thing has been changed. Yeah, now you have highlighted alternating rows. Yeah, to know more about Excel and for similar contents, please like, share and subscribe this channel. So this is Tian's Data Cafe. So this video will also be available in Tamil, so if you are not comfortable with English, please do follow that. Bye.